So what are the benefits, no, if we open the run? Okay. So we have a diverse vendors ecosystem. So we are not anymore tied up dun sa five traditional vendors natin. Okay? Siyempre, if law of supply and demand, okay, if we have more suppliers, we should expect more competitive environment between them. And also, as shared niya kanina, no, with the example of Rakuten, Open RAN could provide us fast network deployment, faster rollouts. Okay? Easy access to third-party software developers. Yes, because hindi na tayo gumagamit ng proprietary softwares. Okay? We have automation. Why? Meron na tayong RIC, the RAN Intelligent Controller. Okay? And also, ma-leverage natin this new technology of AI, okay, and machine learning in terms of optimizing our network and providing a better QoS. Lower total cost of ownership, as I shared then earlier. Okay, it's because we have lesser components to maintain. Yeah. So we have the RU white box, and we have the COT server. Mas mura na rin siya kasi it's already those servers hindi siya proprietary. Ibig sabihin, if I'm not locked into with a vendor, okay, I can already have that server in the common market, okay, available sa market. Kasi hindi ko siya hindi pa namin masusuplayan kasi wala kaming stock niya ngayon. Hintayin pa namin from the mainland para ma-deliver. Okay? So it's not that anymore. Okay? And also, with when we talk about CI/CD, it's term sa IT na continuous integration, continuous deployment. Ibig sabihin, for those optimizations or applications na gusto nating ipasok, diba? Mas mabilis. Okay? It's because meron na tayong orchestration from our cloud down to our CU and DU. Okay? So reduce time to market and time to deployment, reduce equipment and maintenance cost. Right? So what are the Open RAN drivers naman? Okay, what will push network operator to go into Open RAN? Okay? The growing network demand. Okay? When we say growing network demand, mas tumarami ang subscribers natin. Okay? In terms also of their consumptions, no? Okay? Also, this one is a new technology also for the telco to perform or to deploy network virtualizations. Ibig sabihin ng network virtualization yung functions ng network devices ko before, okay, they can already be implemented in a software-defined way. Okay? And also, with the emergence of AI, machine learning, and big data, what we can know in you don't need a longer time to study on the market projections, ano ang need ng customers ko, okay? Because you already have big data. Okay? Nasa-source out muna siya agad from your run, okay? you have the intelligence or you have the big data to analyze and perform such optimizations, and also what services yung kailangan ng customers ko, or what 5G use cases yung pwede kong i-provide sa kanila. Okay? And also, part ng driver ng Open RAN is we achieve the 5G use cases. So ano yung 5G use cases? Again, it's the enhanced mobile broadband. Okay? The network, right, should be able to deliver up to 20 gigabytes per second peak data rates, and 100 megabits per second average data rate. Second is our ultra reliable low latency communications na in 1 millisecond na latency. And also the massive machine type communications naman, that is we should be able to connect 1 million IoT devices in a square kilometer. Okay? So yan yung promise ng Open RAN. Okay. And what are the challenges naman din? Okay? So hindi rin naman because we present these are the benefits of Open RAN, no? Okay? Siyempre, there are still questions or hesitations. Bakit ako mag-move into that kind of setup? Okay? Me as an operator, what are my challenges? Okay? So network performance. So ang one contention with disaggregation, no, okay, sasabihin ng traditional vendor, hindi mo kayang i-match yung performance ng device ko. Okay? You are using a general purpose hardware. Yung sa akin, this is purposely built to provide such function. Okay? Yun ang isang let's say constraint, no? But actually, when the Open RAN Alliance provides plug fests. Okay, so they perform lab trials, live deployments, okay, and they have demonstrated actually that yung proof of concept, okay, it is able to achieve yung 5G use cases. Okay? So hindi rin natin masasabi na ay pag proprietary hardware ako, mas mas highly advanced siya or what. Hindi rin. Okay? Because as per trials and live demonstrations, okay, Open RAN setup can match it. Right? Fault management, sabihin ng traditional vendor, we have our own monitoring system for it. Alam namin kung saang part may problema. Okay? Because if you are disaggregating the network, di ba? Iba-iba yung iba-iba yung you break it up, di ba? You have a system for your OCU, you have a system for your ODU, okay? You have a system for your rig. Okay? So ang sabihin nila, how would you manage the maintenance and fault management nun? Okay? But again, on Open RAN, we are using open source softwares. Okay? And open source softwares actually can help us, okay, have a more visibility din. Okay? In a way na we have the mano or the management and orchestration part ng Open Run which solves this fault management. Okay? So if the traditional vendor is saying no, hindi mo how can you protect something that you are not visible with, diba? Okay? But with Open Run, okay, hindi rin nila masasabi na gano'n. Because okay, you have the manu the management and orchestration applications, open source siya, which you could use to manage your Open Run environment. Okay? Thirdly is automation. Okay? Paano mo i-implement yung automation yan? Magkakaiba yan. So, okay. Again, di ba? This actually is the let's say baliktad, no? Mas magagawa mo nga yung automation in Open Run. Okay? Because especially uh, if you are maximizing yung cloud, okay? Ang bilis ng rollout, ang bilis ng auto-scaling. Okay? If you need to have a more compute power, okay? Sa traditional setup, kulang na ako ng capacity ng ganito. Okay, mag-request tayo ng additional capacity, ipapa-approve natin sa finance, and then let's wait for the order to come in, ship siya, and then ipa-plug in mo yung module to extend your capacity. Okay? Or need natin ng additional license, okay, bibili tayo ng license kay vendor, ipa-plug in yung license na yan, okay, to maximize yung hardware natin. Okay? But with Open Run, okay, yung problems on auto-scaling, okay, it's automatic. Okay? Sabihin, when the system sees na kailangan ko ng more compute power to provide baseband functions, okay? Yung cloud, it can already provide or it can already provision compute power depending on the capacity needed ng system. Ganoon siya kabilis. Okay? So kung i-compare natin siya sa traditional setup, no, it would take some months bago ko magawa yung expansion. But with Open Run, the auto-scaling actually works in seconds. Ganoon siya kabilis mag-up down ng resources if we are maximizing yung cloud environment. Okay? Isa pang challenge ng operator is understanding the Open Run ecosystem. Okay? Kanino ko kukunin yung parts ko? Paano ko i-integrate yung mga yan? Okay? Whereas kung meron akong single vendor, okay, siya lang kausap ko and then siya na bahala mag-source out sa akin lahat. Then siya na mag-build and then the turnover sa akin for acceptance. Okay? And this is one of the biggest enhancement in sa Open Run, no, is it will provide us or this is answered by the system integrators. Okay? So when we need help on deploying the Open Run environment, okay, we have specialists for it, yung mga system integrators. Okay? And also, you'll be needing a new team profile. No? Kasi before, if or sa dating setup ng telco, no, I have my RAN engineers, I have my core engineers, kumbaga properly scope yung kanilang roles, okay? But with Open RAN, no? We have or kailangan ko ba ng additional manpower for security? Kailangan ko ba ng additional resources for the integration? Okay? So yun yung challenge ng network operator. I need to build a new team profile, a new skill set, okay, to manage or to deploy Open RAN setup. Okay?